Welcome home to 160 Fox Meadow Lane in Hopkins, South Carolina. This home is nestled on 2 acres, not in a HOA, in minutes from walking to the elementary and middle schools, near Garner's Ferry Road, and just about 10 to 15 minutes to McEntire Air Base. This is a great location. Check out this awesome den. It is huge. The home features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, plus an enclosed garage for a total of 5 bedrooms. Check out this awesome kitchen, formal dining room behind me. All the flooring has been replaced with laminate hardwood flooring and all freshly painted and smooth ceilings. This is an awesome enclosed garage featuring 3 closets. This would make a great in-law suite, a playroom, a entertaining space, plus a side entry door, or make it a second master suite. This is a split floor plan, which is awesome. So the master is on the right side of the house near the kitchen, and then you have 3 additional bedrooms on the left side of the house, plus the enclosed garage. Check out this 30 by 61 awesome workshop. 4-bay garage, commercial insulation, commercial roof, commercial doors, outlets every 8 feet, LED lighting, a separate 200 amp breaker, and an unfinished bathroom.